Hey guys, Dave Anderson, Helicool's Helipad. Today will be part 2 of the drone drop, and we're gonna go full size. In order to do that, I have to get a pretty thick hanger instead of the safety wire. And also, I have a parachute made with just some scrap material, and of course I have a Barbie doll. Now you can get a whole bunch of Barbies and Ken dolls and all that kind of stuff at your local Goodwill. Most of them will not come with clothes because apparently the apparel is the valuable thing. In order to make these a little less creepy, what you have to do is take a Sharpie and at least give them some semblance of at least a bikini clothes on, so that, you know, it's kind of a little more appropriate. Sometimes, oh hey, here's the jump master right here. So we're gonna get this all wired up, make a new little wire for it, add some orange tape to it, and we'll see if we can't make these guys do a first jump test. You guys stay tuned. Well, I really appreciate you guys coming with me on this adventure. That was a lot of good, clean fun. Make sure that you are complying with the FAA regulation and being safe when you're dropping objects from a drone or any other kind of RC device. We made sure that everything was safe and on basically wide open areas. So, and of course it was parachuted, so it was coming down nice and easy. But hey guys, if you like this video, please click on the like button, send a comment, and subscribe. Love to have new folks on the channel. Channel is just blowing up right now, and that is a very good thing. I'm Dave Anderson signing out from the Man Cave. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.